Guys, it's B Scott here. Today I am opening the place. Yes, it just came. I actually had to pick it up and then I took an Uber home. So that is the delivery thing. Now we're just gonna open this. So I wasn't home yesterday, so I had to go pick this up. So I'm just gonna put this down. All right. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The PlayStation 5. First, we've got the controller. And of course, we have PlayStation 5 itself. Now, I got the disc-free console, so what's up? Feel like a kid on Christmas, you know? Someone's packaging on this, you'd think it's fucking Fort Knox. Okay, here we go. Oh, I got another controller with it too. That's good. The cord. The instruction manual. The safety guide. One. Whatever this is, and some more cords. Just getting it open, sorry. And console itself. Pretty big fucking console. There is a way, I was talking to someone the other day, you can actually get like a skin for it, but you got to order it from a US company. I think it's on Amazon, they said. I'm not too sure. But anyways, guys, I'm going to be streaming on it in a couple of days once I get it hooked up. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching.